is Gabriel from P4. This is my research from elephant. Elephants are herbivores that eat 150 pounds and 180 liters of water. Elephants are afraid of ants. If elephants go to the nose, elephants can die. Elephants are often used in the circus. Elephants eat a very large mammal that eats grass, very strong to lift objects that can weigh up to 4 tons. Elephants need roaming up to 20 kilometers per day. Any questions?
What kind of animal is elephant? Carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore?
Herbivore.
Can elephant lift heavy objects?
Yes. Thank you.